When it comes to treating acne, the goals are simple. Keep your skin clean, moisturized, free of pore clogging oils and bacteria, without over-drying the skin. Want to know how to make this homemade honey facial mask for acne? Then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video. When it comes to treating acne, the goals are simple. Keep your skin clean, moisturized, free of pore clogging oils and bacteria, without over-drying the skin. These two ingredients are immaculate by themselves, but when they are combined, they create a powerhouse of antioxidants, antifungal, and antibacterial properties to heal your skin. Complete a patch test on the back of your hand before applying to your face. Wait at least 15 minutes for an allergic reaction. Materials needed for honey cinnamon mask. Unpasteurized organic honey. If you do not have Manuka honey. Organic ground cinnamon. A spoon. A mixing bowl. Spring water is optional. Honey cinnamon mask recipe. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir mixture until desired consistency. If you feel the mixture is too thick, add spring water. Use 2 to 4 teaspoons of water to thin out this mixture. If you split your thick mixture into half, you will be able to play around with the consistency of the mask to see which one works best for you. Your mask is ready for application. Benefits of cinnamon for skin. Cinnamon is used to heal acne due to the antifungal, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. It improves blood flow to the surface of the skin, creating moisture. cinnamon is a complexion enhancer due to the antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps remove dead skin cells and reinstates the softness of your skin. It also treats eczema, where the skin gets inflamed and irritated. Benefits of honey for skin. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin. Unpasteurized honey can speed up the healing process and reduce inflammation. It speeds up your skin cells' healing process. Raw honey is a natural exfoliator, so applying it to your face and lips takes off dry, dull skin and reveals new skin cells underneath. Certain types of honey have as much antimicrobial activity as certain antibiotics. The healthy bacteria will activate your immune system and help with inflammation and redness and healing blemishes. If you tried this powerhouse combo, let me know in the comment section below. Want more DIY videos like this? Then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.